Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will be going over the cars that I don't have. So let's get started. As soon as you walk in here, I do not have the Bugatti Bolide, which I really wish I did. Next, I do not have the LVN. Next, I do not have the 6x6 G-Wagon. I do not have the Ice Charger. I don't have the new Countach. I don't have this Bugatti, I don't remember the name of that Bugatti. I don't have the AMG 1. I have this, so that's not included. I do not have this Pagani. I do not have this Koenigsegg. I do not have the Apollo IE. I do not have this Ferrari. So yeah, those are all of the cars I do not have. So yeah, those are all of the cars I do not have. Comment down below what cars you have. Bye.